Hi everyone, I want to share some new ways to fuel with this nutrient-dense vegetable and high-quality carbohydrate. Here I've taken a medium russet potato, cooked it in the microwave, removed the skin, and mashed it all up. Now I'm going to add 3/8 cup of milk along with 2 teaspoons of ranch powder and get this all stirred up. You know, potatoes are such a great addition to our athletes' diets because they help provide fuel and replenishment for athletic performance. A 5.3 ounce skin-on serving has 26 grams of carbohydrate, a key source of energy for our athletes' muscles, 3 grams of plant-based protein, and 620 milligrams of potassium, compared to only 422 found in a medium banana. And potatoes are a good source of vitamin B6, which is important in carbohydrate and protein metabolism. They're truly so versatile, and I love this whipped ranch potatoes recipe because your athletes can make them and put them in these portable, resealable bags and refuel with them during a workout or endurance activity. They're a savory alternative to traditionally sweet carbohydrate gels. So for this recipe and more helpful resources, visit potatogoodness.com.